How much time are you wasting pulling the same KPIs every single week? Revenue, customer acquisition cost, ROAS, retention. You copy SQL, export CSVs, update sheets every Monday, like clockwork. But sometimes you also need to throw that data on Wednesday or Thursday, or at the beginning of every month, and every time you think, well, why the hell am I still doing this manually? Let's fix it. We'll automate a daily KPI pack using OWOX Data Marts. Let's create a new data mart called Daily KPI Pack. I'll select bigquery as a storage because that's where my data is, but you can select yours. I've already prepared the SQL for it. It collects the metrics from different sources and blends them into one dataset that I can share with my boss. I'll paste it in here and wait till it's validated. Looks good. Now I'll save it and publish. But look, here is the output schema and it looks ugly. You can see the raw fields look like a mess. Things like I am, CNV, CNT, that's because we pulled them from different places, different tables, and it's not aligned. And I don't want my stakeholders starting at this junk. Sure, we can go and rewrite the SQL and add aliases right inside SQL. But that's not always possible and sometimes just too annoying. So here is what I will do. I'll go and add the aliases and the descriptions to my output schema here in OWOX Data Marts. I am is actually the ad spend. I don't know why. And I'll also add a description, the amount spent on advertising. What the CNV CNT even means? Well, I don't remember it myself. Those are my conversions. So basically that's the number of sales. And CNV val goes for sales in USD, the total dollar value of conversions. This is the blended customer acquisition cost, spend divided by conversions. This is the blended ROAS, revenue divided by ad spend. Here are my unique visitors to the website for a specific date, total daily unique visitors. CVR goes for conversion rate. Visitor to sales conversion rate. AOV goes for the average order value, revenue divided by conversions. Net rev goes for net revenue, revenue minus ad spend. So I'm adding each alias and the description right here in the schema editor. And then click Save. So now the data mart isn't just SQL, it's documented. It has business-friendly aliases so everyone knows what this or that number means. Now, instead of copy-pasting the same SQL that we have into every BI tool, I'll go to Destinations and connect this data mart to Looker Studio by just toggling this. It can pull the data from it, and I'll also create a Google Sheets report here. I'll just create a new document in Sheets, add its title here in the destination, and also paste the URL to the document right here. Click Create a report. Now we need to run this report to check that everything is working. Boom! You can see how data is flowing in my Google Sheets. Together with the aliases and the descriptions hidden as notes, it's useful, but not messing this stuff. Now it's just time to add a trigger on the Triggers tab to refresh this report. Just select Report Run, select the report from the list, set the days and time. I'll go with every day at 9 AM and we are good to go. And look, it's reusable across tools. I can connect that to Google Sheets, Looker Studio, Tableau, Power BI, no matter where my business users live. They will get numbers they need. So next Monday, instead of scrambling to copy SQL and export CSVs, imagine opening Slack and just dropping the link to the KPI sheet, update it on a schedule. No stress, no manual work, just done. That's what OWOX Data Marts gives you, a system where your report runs themselves and your metrics always stay in sync. Go try it out. It's free forever if you self-host and free to start in the OWOX Cloud. Future you will love not doing manual Monday reports anymore.